Yo, what's good everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Here's a beat I made with the homie DC the Beatmaker, and I want to tell you about simple intros, because a lot of the times just having a simple quick intro is really going to be the best for your track, especially if it's trap. A lot of people don't want to wait 30, 40, even to a minute for an intro, so you don't need something crazy like that. So let me just play you this intro here and we'll talk about it more. So yeah, as you heard that definitely had a lot of sauce, okay? And it's just a very simple intro. It starts with the piano lead, and then these bells come in at about bar 3, and then on bar 5 I bring the 808 in, and then there's also a reverse crash, which just acts as a transition. That's the other thing I did there was I took a part of the 808 out so it kind of cut itself, so it doesn't have this extra 808 hit and slide. I just had it something like that. Just gives it a nice sauce, give it a nice vibe. So yeah, don't be sleeping on just doing a simple intro like that. You don't gotta go 30, 40 seconds and have a crazy build up for an intro all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.